If your smart home depends on one machine, it's fragile, and most of us build it that way. One box for storage. One connection to the internet. One box for automation. It works until it doesn't. When that one machine goes down, the automations stop. The music stops. The dashboards disappear. And if your storage fails, those aren't just files. They're memories. Nothing was broken. That was the problem. I built it one piece at a time. Whatever worked in the moment. But it wasn't designed. It wasn't engineered. It was collected. So I stopped randomly adding things and I started redesigning. One copy of your data isn't protection. It's optimism. Redundancy isn't about uptime. It's about recovery. If it fails, I want it to be inconvenient, not catastrophic. If one host dying takes down your entire house, it's not resilient. Infrastructure should survive hardware. Internet failover isn't optional when you work from home. Multiple paths, structured switching, no more accidental bottlenecks. Power protection, monitoring, alerts. If something breaks, I want to know immediately. Home Assistant decoupled from hardware. Radios moved off USB. DNS no longer tied to one box. This isn't about uptime. It's about recovery. Failure is inevitable. Collapse doesn't have to be. I didn't set out to make a series. I set out to fix something that I built wrong. If you're new here, this is what I'm building now. Some of the content is already live. The rest is on the way. Not for features, for resilience.